Hi, this is Ali from EA Home Design. Today I want to go over the very common question that everyone asks us, how much is the bathroom remodeling cost? The cost of bathroom remodeling, it depends on the size and what you want to do with that bathroom. It can start from $7,000-8,000 up to $100,000, depends on what you want to do with it. For example, for powder room, okay, probably $7,000, $7,000 is a good start for it. And if you have a 5x8 standard bathroom, definitely it can start from 12,000 and up. Depends on the company, depends on the material, depends on the layout. If you don't change any layout, I'm talking about that. This is about the range starting point. And if you want to change it to shower, the bathtub to shower, probably starting from $17,000-18,000 or something like that. But this is a full bathroom remodeling site. I'm talking about the full bathroom remodeling, not only partial remodeling. But if it's going to master bathroom, usually starting from $27,000-30,000. This is a starting point, and it can go higher, depends on the plumbing that you move, depends on the material that you buy, and depends on the fixtures that you want to buy. And it can go higher and higher and higher, but I personally think you should be careful about it. Bathroom is very sensitive. If you want to save some money on it, don't save on the labor, because if someone make any mistake on the bathroom remodeling, all the plumbing, everything going in the back of the wall and back of the tile, and it's gonna be very, very hard to fix it. And I don't think the bathroom is a good place to save on the labor. If you want to do the remodeling and you want to make it in the better price, either go with the company that charge less, or either go with the with the better less expensive material. And this is the only suggestion that I'm telling you. Labor and the bathroom remodeling is very, very important. Thank you for watching this. This is Ali from EA Home Design. If you have any question, please ask me. You can contact us via email or directly on the phone, and you have all of our information here. Thank you so much and have a good one. Bye.